Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will be learning how to save posts on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram application and then find the post you want to save. Let me show you by saving this post. Here on the bottom right corner of this post, you can see a bookmark icon. Tap on it and then you can see save to collection. So you have now saved this post. To see the post, what you have to do is tap on your profile icon that is on the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon on the top right corner. Now these options appears. There you can see on the fifth option there is saved. Tap on it and then you can see the post you have saved. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.